Welcome back to InstantIQ. Get ready for mind-bending puzzles, tricky would you rather choices, and emoji challenges. Think fast, spot the odd one out, and prove you're the ultimate Squid Game champion. Before starting, please subscribe to your channel InstantIQ for more exciting quiz videos. First challenge, find the odd emoji out. Could you find the odd one? Can you guess the player 456? Excellent, you find it. It's middle one. Which challenge would you take? Play a glass bridge or play gongi? Let's check. How good your eyes are. Find the odd emoji out. Can you identify the Squid Game player by emoji? Yes, it's Thanos. Now it's another challenge. Guess the game by emoji. Brilliant. It's deadly red light, green light. Which game would you like to choose? Play a deadly game, red light, green light, or play tug of war? Awake your brain. Find the odd young out. Excellent. You find it. There's another challenge for you. Guess the correct sequence of the invitation card. I know you can find it. It's number 3. Sharp your eyes now and spot 3 differences. I know it will be hard for you. Excellent. You find it. How good your eyes are. Find the odd invitation card out. Excellent. You have done. Which player you would like to choose? Marry player 333 or marry the recruiter? I also like player 333. Let's play another interesting game. Guess the game by emoji. It's Dokji. Can you find the odd Sonic? Find the odd emoji out. Yes, it's in second row. Would you rather like season 1 or season 2? Yes, season 2 is very interesting. Find the odd card out. I'm sure you know the correct cards. It's another test for you to check your IQ. Choose the correct sequence. Yes, it's first row. Find the odd emoji out. I am sure you can find it. It's in second row. Pick your favorite one. NOEUO or player 380. I also like her. Next question. Which game is not in season 2? Yes, it's Dalagona. Let's face another challenge. Find the odd emoji out. Yes, you find it. Find the odd emoji out. Can you figure it out? Yes, it's correct. Guess the correct Squid Game logo. You are right. It's first one. Would you rather run a glass bridge barefoot or wear a blindfold while crossing? Let's check how good your eyes are. Find the odd emoji out. Good job. Which one is not repeated emoji? Hurry up. Time is running quickly. It's Jejai Chejai. Guess the hidden emoji. Can you figure it out? Yes, it's Pinkar. Would you rather to play a physical game or a mental game? Find the odd emoji out. Can you guess the odd one? Great! You find it. It's another challenge. Find the odd emoji out. Good one. Would you rather face the frontman or the VIPs? Let's check how good your eyes are. Find the odd emoji out. Good job. Find the odd emoji out. Excellent. What would you choose to be a part of an alliance or play solo? Find the odd emoji out. Yes, IT's right one. Would you rather like the role of salesman or frontman? Watch your next challenge. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.